up, guys? It is Give You Face, and I am back yet again with another tutorial. So today I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette yet again. I love this palette so much. It's so versatile. You can get so many different looks out of it. So we're going to be doing a couple different looks for the next few videos, or maybe one more. I'll probably do one more video. I already recorded another look. I don't know if I'm going to put this one up first or the other one, but I have a few ideas for this palette. So it's very versatile. I love it. So colorful. I wanted to do something like springy this time. Get a little crazy. You guys know I do the crazy looks, but I paired it with a gloss. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just continue to watch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that good old notification bell. That way you guys know the next time I upload a video. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, so first color we're going to go in with is this color here. I'm just going to tap in that orange, build it up. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now so I'm just building up this orange, and we're gonna stack a few colors. I'm just pushing that color in. I'm not even like moving the brush in any kind of motion. I'm just like pushing the product in, building up that color. I think I'm gonna take this pink underneath. It's called Tipsy Girl. This one right here, with a clean brush. We're just gonna put that underneath. We're doing like a sunset-y type look today. So far so good with these colors. They're like blending very, very well together. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. And then I'm gonna also take another clean brush, and I'm gonna take this yellow. It's called No Joke, right there. And I'm gonna take another clean brush and just take it on the top of that orange. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. Okay, now that we got our colors on, I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and kind of cut my crease, because I'm going to do a cut crease. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm... Okay, so I just took a little bit of that P. Louise base on the back of my hand. I'm just taking a flat brush, and then we're just going to cut the crease. So I might need to get the mirror up close, so if it's blocking me a little bit, sorry. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. So now I'm gonna go in with that yellow that I put on top, and it's called No Joke. So it's the same yellow that I put. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you. So then I'm gonna take the orange. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you. Then I'm gonna add that pink on the end. Waking up anew, I did the other eye, so now I'm going to use this NYX liquid lipstick to do this wing liner, and it's in the color Little Denim Dress. I'm just going to take some on the back of my hand and build it up with an angled brush. I'll do this in the camera in focus is the best I can. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. Okay, now I'm gonna throw on some lashes, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we got our lashes on. I used my lashes in Mimosa. So I'm just gonna do the foundation. I already primed and prepped my skin and all that just to save on time on this video because I knew this eye was gonna take a minute. So I'm just gonna go right in with the foundation. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. So now I'm just gonna go in with my concealer, get under my eyes. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. Nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. Yeah, slow down. Sun is about to go down. So what you doing tonight? And I'm gonna do some setting powder. Just using like a regular banana powder just to set the under eyes and all the places that we've highlighted. I'm just pushing that product in. Then I'm just gonna take get my contour. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing. Then I'm just gonna take the NYX blush.
Little setting spray.
Now we want to take some white liner and just go under on our waterline. At the bottom we'll do like a purple. So I'm going to go in with Therapy Sesh, and then we're just going to take that at the bottom. Didn't plan on using a purple, but it's another color. So I'm going to show you guys the color, and it's going to be this color right here. Yeah, I literally think I just want to do some clear. Let's see how just some clear looks.